Chai, my people, make una come here Tori. Tori don war for inside this new year. Not be small thing. Tori don war. Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Sweet Mother Gist TV. I greet you all according to your time. How na dey, my amazing people? Kasala don burst wey concern the apology wey be say Lady of Song come apologize few days ago. No be small thing, my country people. Hey. Social media don cast o. Make una come here, make una come here. Una see the screenshot when I put for here. More still dey, my people. But I get the phone where I want to show una for here. Wetin make me come do this video mostly? We just enter new year. See wetin just dey happen. My fellow Edo people, who do us this thing? Wey be say tell me, I tell you for social media, e go come lead to something else, to go dey bring juju paper for person. People wey dey see small letter, una go see this write up wey dey here, una go read am. But I still get am for phone here, I'll still read am for una. I don't want this video to too long because I get a lot of things to do. And as we dey talk now, Lady of Song don bring juju paper come give Enogie is priceless. My people, I beg, as una dey come in, una give me love and like, my lovely people. Help me to share the video. If una no dey share my video, una no dey support me, una no dey help me to grow, I beg. I use God beg una. Na new year, now we still enter, so make una dey share my videos, I beg. So wetin happen be say, una know say few days ago, Lady of Song come out, come apologize to Epa Akobegin. So as he apologize now, a lot of our presenters, they don't use that thing. Come take the against her, say she don't carry Epa Akobegin. She don't carry and go, una know na, for long time, this, that. So Lady of Song now don't take action for this issue, my lovely people. Now understand. So this one at the write up when I see yesterday, where she can say, Richard Osadia, you said I took Daddy Akobe name to native daughter to buy him. I want to let you know tonight that by tomorrow you will have all time in this life to prove it. From tomorrow, I want to follow up this very issue, to claim my innocence, that I, Esther Edokpayi, did not take Daddy Akobe or anyone other person that I have had issue with in the past to any native daughter. Richard Osadiaye, from tomorrow, you and I going to go far beyond your imagination just for me to prove my innocence. 2023, peace. Good night, everyone. One love, I be much love. So, under this very write-up, where be say I paste for here, one at the see. So, make I read down. So, somebody where her name na Vivian. Vivian say, Esther carry Akobe go native daughter to Payam. If na me, I will not forgive her. So, a lot of people can react to this very comment. They can put red head. You understand? So, under the comments, now another person reply. Sandra replied to Vivian, say, Esther carry Akobe go native daughter to Payam. If me, I will not forgive her. So, the down of this very comment, now Enogie can comment, can leave comment, say, Epa, good evening. Esther should do the needful. Epa, that is where you for go comment, na Epa Arameya OFA. Epa Arameya OFA, abi, that is a Jebo orphanage. So you can say, Epa, good evening. Esther should do the needful, Epa. She took Akobe's name to a native daughter, and so many things have been done in the secret. So, my people, now Esther Edokpayi, you can drop this very screenshots yesterday night to my people. So this morning now, another thing we come dey see say Esther Edokpayi now 1 hour ago. She don't come drop this thing. I don't know whether on the see. Oh, this phone don't turn. See. Now the paper wey be say she go take summon Enogie for her webo. Now be this one. So I go read that for now. First of all, I go to read the write-up where she dropped 1 hour ago. 2023 peace must reign. Whoever that does not want peace between us will pay with his agbon. I don't want to read that one. Let somebody inform him in case he not see the one I sent to him on WhatsApp. God will judge. Okay. So this very paper when I showed now for here, so because Mr. Richard Osadiaye Aho, you have been summoned to Ayelala Temple or Kwaka, my people, village by Mrs. Esther Edokpayi today, 4th of January 2023. Number to call. Come write the number. You have 7 days to answer the letter from Dr. God's Power, something like that, my people. Why it can't be say, what to make me come bring this issue or can't talk about this issue? I know say they don't call me puto, but with the dose, we need peace. According to what our sister Esther Edokpayi consti talk, say peace must reign this very year. Where we did so fine, peace go reign. But I want to use this medium to also talk to my beautiful sister, Esther Edokpayi, my sister. We know say lie, it dey pain for body, oh. It not easy say, maybe they can talk wetin you not do. I know did there, but it never reach where be say, we go take carry ourselves, go Juju place. You now understand. For peace to reign, Juju, it not go solve anything. If you don't anymore, we need money de progress egbe oma keke we amoma amoaria webo me Esther Edokpayi as a mother where you be, because a lot of commenters wey be say that they comment, you don't know them because you know Enogie say na Enogie na can comment, but if na fake accounts can't leave that comment, you for no know right time, my sister. But according to say, you know, say na Enogie, now leave that post. I know they support Enogie. I don't get where they support. I felt talk on for video where I do yesterday. Say this social media I come alone. I don't get party way be say now this one. Now me I they support. You know they my people. What is not good is not good. So now I say may I can't still use this medium to beg my lovely sister Esther Edokpayi, I beg, may you forgive Enogie. We don't really perfect. We don't dey perfect for this life where we dey so. And una go see this screenshot where they this under Esther Edokpayi picture for here. It say, continue to dey talk waiting your eye no reach. A wee boy, the Ayelala meet. So a lot of people really react to this very comment. So now, Enogie can reply this person here, say, Arizona, Crimea, and Ocean. Now, see the reaction where be say, people can't react for here. May we be say we be Bini. We call they carry each other. They go, they meet. Oh, Juju we sit down. It's not really good. We know they help ourselves. Because, Esther Edokpayi, my lovely sister, you get children. We get pikin. And Enogie itself is still get pikin. Nobody is perfect. For that comment where Enogie can't live, he made mistake, my lovely sister. May you forgive him. Now your junior brother, we are all brothers and sisters. May I make any masilegberie and agbona. I make any muagborie. I will muagborie why vie domeni mose. Emi okpero the life in our when me set is solve between ourselves. I know say Enogie is still too much for this our cyberspace. But Sister Esther, please, may you forgive her. Your boy are wake up as CJ Nukin. where umwere oga ye la na emi no gba ye la wo. Forgive am for that whether na write up I want call am big comments. When he can't drop, everybody knows say fake accounts full everywhere. Like say na fake accounts. Now I can't do that thing. You for not still no right time, my lovely sister. Now beg, now they beg. May peace reign for this new year where we enter. So nobody will not need peace. Nobody will not need say, may we they progress. See that the way 24 beats, it bring our musician. Every one of us, they happy. I beg Esther Edokpayi. Mona help me share this video. I beg my lovely people. May you forgive Enogie. Now beg. Now I come beg. I don't get where I support. Say, this one do this one. This one not do this one. Esther Edokpayi or tell me not tell me la wo. My sister. Forgive Enogie. Ezoni no more here. America no more. I don't want to make sure those things because me, now God's way now deal. I don't want to use here anything way can't concern Juju. I can't beg for Enogie behalf. Now see our blood, now our brother. Or why more than ekbe. Esther Edokpayi not tell me. Ije Enogie. Mother of all because ubiele money bune. La wo je. Your boy awe no forgive no withdraw a case now. Because a social media imagine now. I know that a lot of people will come out. They'll come put fire for this issue. Now make me come out this morning. Make I come beg my lovely sister. Esther Edokpayi la wo. La o remevi gwe. Ya boy. You don't know what he's doing. La wo. Ya boy la wo. A write up in Ogbeni. Me no hiade yon we gbere. And I want to use this media to talk to a lot of people be saying, if person can't do apology, say he apologize. Not be bad thing. And make una stop to the draw that person up and down, say, he don't do this, he don't do that. Before she go come out, come apologize. Demi na amo bo uvagbona no hiya je wife ya gbona. Okay, omaladia do imia, no. Esther Edokpayi ve la dian do imia na. Jeve no de na hiya unu wife ya gbono hiya su wa ken. Now, I don't understand though. Oh, Tracy Amode, my lovely sister, good afternoon. Thanks for joining. Thanks for coming. I really appreciate and thanks for the love I like, my lovely people. Demi na hiya uva gbona. No hiya je ima wea. Ona emi awe say error because since how many days now we be say she can't say apologize. It don't reach 3 days now. I just the look. I just cover my face. All of the just the right Esther Edokpayi apology. Una can't analyze her. Hi God. Oh where senior she did well to apologize to everyone. We be say everybody we be say she don't offend. Now no thing. Even if the year one end, a lot of people they come and say, even me myself, I still talk out from one video when I do say unknowingly or knowingly. Anybody when I see offend though, I don't know or I know because I know say no deal. Mona see forgive me because now new year we enter so. Mona forgive me. As God can't still touch her heart now. She can't apologize to a park obe. Una still look and say na bad thing. She not come as is there call apologize. Una still look and say na bad thing. Then na hear you for na if you agbon me. If you agbon ni you remember ni yazo Not be so my people. Make una carry this issue. Make una carry it down. And person where they apologize to. You know me say the person you just jump come at that moment. Come say I accept the apology. Na hot cake. Make una leave a park over to me still reason. Una know na Nigeria, na those two people there. They go don't see each other now. Una no know. This one fi carry go carry visit, go meet the other one for house. Una no go know. They no go show am for video. Must they show everything? No be so now come use the judge they say why you can't apologize now? After I don't do this, after I don't do that, una I no reach am. I beg, make una carry this matter, make una drop am. Make una drop am. Make we talk another thing because now January we dey so election don't dey close. I never even now only one person either analyzer something, analyzer TV. That one oh. what she still they talk for her platform, they different. I never see any of una wey say, go and grab your PVC, oh. Election don't reach, oh. Now January with this, so it don't dey close, oh. I beg, oh, may we vote the right person. May our country for better. Oh, Tracy, I say you are welcome. Thank you so much, my sister. I say, don't mind them. Eh? Now, what's mostly the important for now? Now be that one, oh. If una still talking for una platform, I will still get view, my lovely people. I beg. Make una take life jeje, make una take life easy. Now I can't tell una this afternoon, be na evening we can't do, I don't know. Make we take life easy. Make things change for this new year where we all still enter. So I use God to beg una. May we try to avoid problem to problem. From one trouble to another. From one saga to another. All those things, eh? Or where ezo ebio me si vie domeni mose. Trouble, it's not too good. Eh? Imagine na today be 4th of New Year now. Eh? Juju paper don't dey fall out. It's not good like that, my adult people. And if you find this video interesting, say, waiting I talk good, make you help me share the video. Say, make Lady of Song, make you forgive Enogie. Say this write up where you can't drop, comment where you can't drop, talk this kind of thing. Say, Enogie not doing well. Now understand, but what we need na peace. Make we beg our sister, our beautiful sister Lady of Song to forgive Enogie. Make it withdraw the case from Mayelala Shrine. Now I get when I can't live for now. Make we love ourselves. Let love lead. I beg this year where we enter. So, dem na yezo yahu, ezo ema, ivye domeni mo se wala wo, wagia mwezo fwa o. Wagia mwezo fwa na rakuo. Ezo ima o. Ikuwa mase o vijeme. Yes, so God bless you all for watching Sweet Mother Gist TV. I really do appreciate all your massive support. Yes, make una not forget, say, on the night, na be the day where be say, una go contact support una sister, una girl, una mama, Sweet Mother Gist TV, to send me free star. Una no need to pay money for the free star that very day. Make una support me. And next month, 24th of February, now also my birthday, come and celebrate with me that very day. God bless you all. See you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.